Hello everyone, this is teacher Rejil. This lesson is about set operations and our competency is illustrate intersection, union, and the difference of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B denoted by this one, A intersection B, is a set of elements that are members of both A and B. For example, the elements of A are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and the elements of B are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. So, what is A intersection B? So, meaning to say, we are going to find the elements that are members of both A and B. So in this case, we have 6 and 12. So we have this answer. The elements are 6 and 12. Let's have another example. The elements of C are LOVE, and the elements of D are LIKE. So what is C intersection D? So meaning to say, we are going to find the elements that are members of both C and D. So in this case, we have L and E. So the elements are L and E. The union of A and B, denoted by this one, A union B, is a set of elements that are members of A, or members of B, or members of both A and B. For example, the elements of A are 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. The elements of B are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. So A union B is just actually listing down all the elements we see in A and B without repeating any element. So the elements are 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, and 15. Let's do another example. The elements of C are LOVE, and the elements of D are LIKE. What is C union D? Again, we are going to list down all the elements we have in C and D without repeating any element. So the elements are LOVEIK. The complement of A, denoted as this one, this is read as A prime, is a set of all elements in the universal set U that are not on A. Okay, for example, the elements of U are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21, and the elements of A are 6, 12, and 18. How do we find A prime? So these elements 6, 12, and 18, which are the elements of A, okay, we are going to remove them from U, 6, 12, 18. So meaning to say, our A prime equals 3, 9, 15, and 21. Let's do another one. The elements of U are LOVE. The elements of B are LV. So, what are the elements of B prime? Again, these elements of B, LV, will be removed from U. So, LV will be removed. So, the elements for B prime are OE. The difference of sets A and B written as A minus B, is a set of all elements in A that are not in B. So let's have an example. The elements of A are B, E, S, T. The elements of B are A, N, S, W, E, R. So how do we find A minus B? So here, the common elements are E and S. So we will remove these elements from A. So our A minus B elements are B and T. Let's do another example. The elements of C are L, O, V, I, and G. And the elements of D are C, A, R, I, and G. Now, the common elements, okay, are I and G. So we will remove this I and G from C because it's C minus D. So the elements are L, O, V. Now let's put them together. Okay? The elements of U are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, and 16. The elements of A are 4, 8, 12, 16. The elements of B are 3, 6, 9, 12. Now we will find A intersection B. So meaning to say, the element or elements common between A and B. So in this case, there's only one. It's 12. Now, A union B. These are the elements of A. These are the elements of B. So A union B, meaning to say we will just list down all the elements we have in A and B without repeating any element. So the elements are 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16. Now A prime. These are the elements of A. Okay? So we are going to remove these elements from U. So 4, 8, 12, 16. So A prime elements are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 14, and 16. Now B prime. So these are the elements of B. 3, 6, 9, 12. We will remove them from U. 3, 6, 9, 12. So the elements of B prime are 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 14, and 16. Now A minus B. Okay, the common element between A and B is 12. Okay, so meaning to say we will remove this 12 from A. So we have 4, 8, 16. Now B minus A. Okay, again these are the elements of B and these are the elements of A. So the common element is 12. So we will remove this 12 from B. So B minus A. So we have 3, 6, 9. Now your turn. I would like you to work on this item. You can pause the video. Okay. The elements of U are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, and 23. Okay, the elements of C are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. The elements of T are 3, 13, and 23. Okay, if you are now ready, I can show you the answer. Okay, C intersection D. Common element or elements between C and T. Okay, there's only one, 3. Then C union T. Okay, list of the elements we have in C and D without repeating any element. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 23. C prime. These are the elements of C. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Remove them from U. So what will remain will be our C prime. So that's 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, and 23. Then D prime. These are the elements of D. 3, 13, and 23. Remove them from U. 3, 13, and 23. So our D prime elements are 1, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17, 19, 21. Now, C minus D. Okay? The common element between C and D is just 3. So we will remove 3 from C. So what we have left will be 1, 5, 7, 9, 11. And then D minus C. Again, the common element is 3. So remove this 3 from D. So 13 and 23. Did you get all the items right? I hope you did. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Rejil. Keep safe.